Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we break down trading strategies, platforms, and tools to help you become a better trader. Okay, so in this particular video, we are just going to be diving into one of the most popular trading platforms out there, and that is none other than the MetaTrader 4. All right, it's also known as MT4. So whether you are a complete beginner or just looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will show you how to trade in MT4 like a pro. Okay, so by the end of this video, you'll know how to download MT4, set up your trading account, navigate the platform, and place your first trade. All right, so if that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading content. Now let's just get started. First things first, you need to download and install MT4. We've actually talked about this in a previous video, so you might want to check it out. But I'm just going to do a quick recap. All right, most brokers actually provide their own version of MT4. So if you want to download MT4, you have to head over to your broker's website and look for the MT4 download link. If you don't have a broker yet, then you might just want to sign up with one and open a demo account. All right, and then you download MT4 platform. So once you have downloaded it, just install the platform like any other software. Okay, the usual way to install a software, you just install it. Then after installation, you launch your MT4, as you can see here. Right, this is my MT4 using the HFM broker. All right, so now this brings us to the next step, that which is setting up your trading account. Now, if you already have a trading account, you can just simply enter your login credentials. You're going to see a place for login to trade account. So you're just going to enter your login credentials. You enter the login number, and then you fill in the password, and you also ensure that you're selecting the right server. Okay, you have to use the proper server for the account to get logged in successfully. All right, now if you are new, then you will need to create a demo account or a live account, but I'm going to recommend starting with a demo account. Okay, if you are a newbie. So if you want to do that, you can actually create the account right from your broker's website. Okay, you can do that in your broker's website, and then you get your credentials from there, and then you log into MT4 with your credentials. But if you want to open a demo account, right, if you want to open a demo account that is not necessarily from a broker, then you can open a Meta Quotes demo account right from the MetaTrader platform. Okay, that is if you want to open a demo account that is not necessarily from your broker. Okay, but I'm going to recommend opening an account with your broker, both the demo and the live accounts. All right, now once you have logged in successfully, you're going to see the MT4 interface, and that is what we're going to be exploring next. Okay, so we have the MT4 interface here. At first glance, MT4 might look a bit overwhelming. All right, but don't worry, let's just break it down real quick. Now, as for the market watch, yeah, this is the market watch window. All right, as for the market watch window, this is where you will see all available trading instruments. Right, this is where you're going to see all the available trading instruments along with their bid and ask prices, the bid prices, the ask prices. Okay, then as for your navigator window, the navigator window, it gives you access to your accounts, right? Your accounts, your indicators, scripts, expert advisors, etc., right? And then apart from this, you have your chart window. All right, this is where you analyze price movements using candlestick charts and indicators. Okay, and then you have your toolbars up here. Now these contain essential tools like order execution, time frames, drawing tools for technical analysis. Okay, so now that you know your way around MT4, let's just move on to the most important part, which is placing trades. All right, now there are two main ways to open a trade in MT4. All right, You can use market orders or pending orders. All right. Now, market orders allow you to buy or sell at the current market price. Okay. To do this, you can just click. You can see this button on the top left, that arrow pointing down. If you click on it, you can just click on sell or click on buy, and the order is executed immediately. All right, immediately. However, another way to execute an order, you can just click on new order here. When you click on new order, then if you want market execution, you just click on sell or buy. Okay, and then of course the trade gets executed immediately. Then for pending orders, this lets you to set a trade to execute at a specific price in the future. All right, now you can also click on new order, and then here you're going to change this to pending order. Okay, you change this to pending order, then you select the type of pending order, whether it's a buy limit or sell limit or buy stop or sell stop. All right, once you've done that, then you set your entry price. Okay, you set your entry price. For example, if I want a buy trade to get executed around here, I can just set it at 1.0293. all right, so let's do that. 1.0293, and when I click on place, you can see okay. The reason why it didn't execute was because, you know, the account let me just see if I can log into a different account. But in order not to take time, basically when you click on that, sorry about that. So I just had to quickly rush to open a demo account. So I have opened a demo account. So now let's just go back to what we were saying about pending orders, right? So as for pending orders, when you select the kind of pending order you want, buy limit is usually below the current price, sell limit is usually above the current price, buy stop is usually above the current price. That is if you are anticipating continuous upward movement after the price gets to that buy stop. Sell stop is below current price if you're anticipating continuous downward movement after the price gets to that price target, right? So just click on place, and you can see it's going to appear, right? You can actually drag, you can also drag, drag to wherever you want the particular order to be. You can just adjust it. You can actually adjust it directly on the chart. All right, you can do adjustment directly on the chart. Now that is for pending order, right? So once your trade is open, okay, let's just since this is a demo account, I'm just going to open a random trade, right? Okay, let me just view the terminal. So just open a random trade, right? So once your trade is open, you can monitor it from the terminal window. You can see this is the terminal. You can see how your trades are going. If you have multiple trades open or single trade, you're going to see everything right here in this terminal. All right, that is at the bottom of your screen. At any point in time, if you want to exit the trade, you can just click on this X button. If you want to exit your close your pending order, you can just click on this X button as well. Now, technical analysis is a big part of trading, and MT4 makes it easy with built-in indicators. All right, so to add an indicator, just go to insert, go to indicators, and choose from the popular options, or rather choose whatever indicator that you want to use. Okay, there are a lot of indicators: moving averages, RSI, MACD, and the rest of them. All right, so depending on your trading strategy, you choose indicators that are suitable for your trading style. All right, so you can also draw trend lines. Trend lines just from your toolbar. You're going to see the trend line option, because this is for horizontal support and resistance levels. If you're doing your analysis, it's important to take note of these price points where when price gets to, they have the potential of being rejected. Okay, so you identify your support and resistance zones on your chart. You can also draw Fibonacci retracement. If you are trading in the direction of the trend, you want to take note of potential reversal points. The Fibonacci retracement tool is also on your toolbar. You can make use of that. Any other tool that you want to use. Okay, the MetaTrader 4 presents a various diverse tools that can help you in your trading. All right, so there you have it, a complete beginner's guide on how to trade in MT4. We covered everything from setting up your account to placing trades and using indicators for analysis. All right, so which part of MT4 do you find the most challenging? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.